And here's more of these questions where you've got to kind of work it out this piece, then work it out this piece, and you've a little bit more work to do after that. So the first one we've got here is this 2a. We're going to concentrate on this first piece, and we're going to multiply the 2a by 2a squared and the 2a by the 1. So 2a by 2a squared, plus plus gives you plus, 2 by 2 gives you 4, a by a squared gives you a cubed, and 2a by 1 gives you 2a. Then that's that piece finished with, and we move on to the next part, which is plus a multiplied by everything inside the brackets. So plus a multiplied by a squared gives you a cubed, and plus a by 1 gives you a. Now we have a little bit of tidying up to do, so all the brackets are removed. There is no more multiplication, it's only adding and subtracting now. And so you're looking for the terms that are like each other. So do we have anything with an a cubed in it? We have this fella here. And remember that the 1 is implied here, that means 1a cubed. So that's saying 4a cubed plus 1a cubed. So if we work with the numbers there, 4a cubed plus 1a cubed is 5a cubed. 4 and 1 is 5. And similarly, 2a plus 1a here, so we've got them grouped together here. 2a and 1a is just 3a. 2 apples and 1 apple is 3a. So be very careful here that you do not increase the powers. That this is only adding and subtracting this last line here. You only increase the powers when you're multiplying. The next question you might have here is this part 2. P by p squared plus 3. And that's that bit finished with that bracket. And then plus 2p multiplied by 2p squared plus 3. So p by p squared gives you p cubed. P by 3 gives you p3, or as we write it in maths, we put the number first, 3p. 2p by 2p squared, be careful, signs give you plus, so like signs give you plus, 2 by 2 gives you 4, and that's the number, and then the letter p by p squared gives you p cubed, and 2p by 3, so 2 by 3 is 6, so 2p by 3 gives you 6p, so we want to just put this stuff together there, look for anything that has a p cubed in it, that's them two, and that's all grouped together now, and look for anything that just has a p in it, and that's those two, and we put those together there. So now we tidy up and we say, well, 1p cubed plus 4p cubed. So you work with the numbers in front now here, and you've got a 4 and a 1 giving you 5p cubed. And you've a plus 3p minus plus 6p. 3 and 6 is 9, so 9p. And that's that finished with. Number 3 here, another kind of nice tricky one we've got is this x squared. And in this one it's x squared times x minus 3 and plus 3 times x cubed plus 2. So we've got x squared by x giving you x cubed. Remember there's a silent 1 there, and when you're multiplying things that have the same letter you can add the powers. 2 and 1 giving you 3. X squared by minus 3 gives you minus 3x squared, and plus 3 by x cubed gives you 3x cubed, and 3 by 2 gives you 6. So we tidy up a little bit further here now. We've got our grouped them together first. You've got an x cubed and another x cubed here. And there's nothing else you can group together. But you've got one thing here, 1x cubed plus 3x cubed. So you can just work with the numbers. 1 and 3 gives you 4x cubed. Minus 3x squared, you have nothing more to tidy up with that fella. So he goes into your next answer, or final line, and the 6 goes into your final line. And that's everything tidied up. Then you've got to do one more here. I'll put up another one, you can have a look at it, but 4 and 5 here. So 4 here, y squared by y, well that's going to give you y cubed. Y squared by minus 1, be careful. Plus by minus, unlike signs give minus, and y squared by 1 of course gives you y squared. Minus 2y by 3y squared, so unlike signs give minus, so sign number letter. 2 by 3 gives you 6. And y by y squared gives you y cubed. Sign number letter and you'll have no problem. A minus 2y now by a minus 4. Be careful. Like signs give plus answer. Then you've got 2 by 4 gives you 8. And of course there's 2y by 4 giving you 8y. Then we group as much as we can together. All we have is a y cubed and a minus 6y cubed to group together. Nothing else there in that. So working with these two here, we've got a plus 1, minus 6, and remember you're adding and subtracting now, and this is where when the signs are the same, add numbers keep sign, when the signs are the same, add numbers keep sign, but the signs are not the same. So this one is, when the signs are different, take the small number 1 from the big. So 1 from minus 6, sorry, 1 from 6 gives you 5, and keep the sign of the big number, and it's tall, majestic hills, and there you're off and running. The y squared and the plus 8y come down onto the next line. The last one here is x squared times 3x minus x, and minus x times x squared plus 2. So we have x squared times 3x, so be careful, plus by plus gives you plus. 1 by 3 gives you 3, remember there's a 1 there if it doesn't tell you, and x squared by x gives you x cubed. Here we've got plus by minus gives you minus, so unlike signs give minus. X squared by x gives you x cubed. And you could have said 3x minus x giving you 2x there, but anyway. Minus x by x squared, so minus by plus gives you minus. X by x squared gives you x cubed. And minus by plus gives you minus, so unlike signs give minus, and x by 2 gives you 2x. So, to finish this off now, what we've got here is we've got 3x cubed minus 1x cubed minus 1x cubed. So all this stuff is all together, so you can basically say 3 minus 1 is 2, minus 1 is 1, giving you 1x cubed. And the minus 2x, which is nothing else, tidy that one up there. So that is that, and I suppose I do show you there, you could have gone 3x minus x, giving you 2x down here, and that might have made it much quicker and easier to solve that question in a quicker way. But hopefully that's a help for you. Definitely important ahead of tomorrow.